guys, welcome to the video. Today we're making a puzzle thing for my dad's workroom office.
Hi everyone, I have Derek here with me.
Can I show my face?
Dan is going to help me.
We can never see my face.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I got this DIY miniature house to try because I have been seeing this for a while and I was just curious. I wanted to see and put one together. It's totally DIY. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I just want to really try. So Derek probably gonna help me.
Yeah, because she's not very good at puzzles.
Excuse me. Derek is really good at puzzles and things like that, so he is going to help me. I got this one that looks like a study, like books and things like that, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I just want to make it, so I am gonna give it to my husband so he can put it next to his books on, you know, his bookshelf and stuff like that.
Needs a lot more stuff to be put on.
Right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do this, me and Derek. So the set comes like this. This is just a sleeve that was closing. I just took it off because I wanted to see how was it, you know, curiosity killed the cat, so I cannot just wait. Right there.
Yeah.
So it's a DIY house, do yourself, and then you open and you have this cool box. The first thing that I see here is the instructions, and that's where I got Derek. Right there, because Derek loves puzzles and Legos, and he put those crazy 20,000 pieces Legos together. Yes, he's just 10 and he's still really good, so he's gonna do that. And so we have the book for this, and goes like piece by piece, as you can see, and then we're gonna follow this step by step
until it's all completely done.
Until it's all completely. Go open the door for your sister. I'm trying to make this video, guys, and everybody's crying outside, so because I have 1 here and 3 outside, you know mom's work. And then they come with the bags. Probably the bags are on the step by step, comes with a number, so you can see we have a little tweezers, we have little pieces. Open the door, I said. We have batteries for lights, because it comes with lights and everything else. Fabric and paint brushes. It comes with everything. It's so cool. So it says that it comes with everything
except for some stuff, like some tools.
It
like
comes
scissors,
with
rollers.
It comes with tools, and then excuse me, and then you need a ruler, scissor, chili knife, you know, pliers, things like that. But then we're gonna go to the the video. I was just going to show you guys, then I'm gonna start this, so you're probably gonna see some videos on my channel. Then it's me making it. Probably, I don't know if I'm gonna do the voiceover or not. I will link down below for you guys the link. Then I got this, and then you guys, if you wanna just have this fun with me and we can do it together, we can start it together. This is wood's, probably the base. As you can see, comes all the pieces and sandpaper.
You have to cut them off and then like put the fabric on them.
Yeah, it comes everything, glue and everything. So I'm pretty excited to see how this is gonna be.
Yeah.
If it's gonna be super hard, or
well, probably with
I
me
will give to Derek.
Right? Yeah.
Look at this.
Ooh.
It has all the papers where you need to fold it. And like probably this is your floor, you know,
it is.
Books, pictures, and things like that. Look at that, it comes like 100 million bucks, of course. But look, this one you need to wrap it around. So I'm pretty excited. Derek's pretty excited. So I give a look on the link. Again, this is not a sponsor video. It's just me trying to try something else, because you know, DIY crafts and things like that, we like everything.
Yeah,
so,
especially I like this stuff. Especially.
You left, yeah. So
my mom's gonna get me one.
Again,
the same one.
Yes, again, this is sand study. I would try my best to find the link for you guys, and that's it. We're gonna start this together. Probably this week or next week I have some Easter videos to come up. But that's it. Do you want to say something there?
And guys, you have to try seeing the gold Easter egg during the video. If you see it, comment down below.
What?
Yes.
What is the gold Easter egg does? Is he empty? You know, Derek really wants his YouTube channel, so he has all his things.
Yeah, and please comment what my channel should be. My channel should be named, please.
So let's start doing this together. It seems pretty cool, and I think it's gonna be cool. It's not something that we're gonna do in one video or you're gonna do in an hour and a day, but I think it's something that we can make that's different and kind of goes all around with paper and wood and painting and modeling, you know, something that we can put
that's a lot of stuff.
I know, look how cool.
I think it's gonna take I think we're gonna have to do a part 2 to this.
And this has like cupcakes. Why we have cupcakes? Cupcakes. So who knows? But that's it. I hope you guys liked it. And this is again the sounds study. And we're gonna do this together. If you guys wanna do with me, I will leave the link below.
Link down below.
What is that?
And
thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Leave a comment if you guys want to join me, and if you guys prefer them to be like a live thing. I can, you know, just make it with you guys if you want to have it or whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video. Want to say goodbye, Derek?
What? We just started.
I know.
Do it.
No, we're not gonna do it now. We're just showing it because we need to set up everything. I know. See, that's how it is, my life. Say goodbye, Derek.
Bye.
Bye.
Please comment down what my channel should be, please.